Welcome back to Inqua News. An ambulance bearing registration number GA07F509 caught fire this evening near Naibag Sattada while returning after transporting a dead body. Upon receiving the alert, the Panem Fire Department quickly responded with Assistant Officer Prashant Dhargalkar, Firefighter Yashwant Naik, Sahadev Parab, Rajesh Parab, Indra Kumar Parab and Shailesh Halandkar rushing to the scene. The swift action successfully brought the blaze under control. The ambulance belonged to Eknath Shedkar.
टायर